Bitcoin self-custody is one of the most important ideas in Bitcoin, but what does it actually mean? In simple terms, self-custody means that you control your own Bitcoin, not a bank, not an exchange, not a company, you. This is different from keeping Bitcoin on an exchange or a platform. When your Bitcoin is on an exchange, you may see a balance in your account, but the platform usually controls the private keys. That means you are trusting that company to protect your Bitcoin, allow withdrawals, stay secure, and remain honest. That is called custodial ownership. It is convenient, but it also means you depend on a third party. Self-custody is different. With self-custody, you control the private keys connected to your Bitcoin. This gives you much more control, but also much more responsibility. That is the key trade-off. Self-custody is powerful because it means you do not have to ask permission to access or move your Bitcoin. You are not depending on a company's database or support team. You are interacting with the Bitcoin network more directly. But self-custody also means you must protect your wallet, your seed phrase, and your backup. If you lose access and you have no backup, there may be no customer support team that can recover it for you. And if someone else gets your seed phrase, they may be able to take your Bitcoin. So self-custody is not something to treat casually. It requires learning, it requires careful habits, and it requires respect for the responsibility involved. This does not mean every beginner must instantly move all their Bitcoin into self-custody on day one. A better approach is to learn first. Understand wallets, understand private keys, understand seed phrases, understand the difference between convenience and control, then make decisions step by step. So what is Bitcoin self-custody? A simple answer is this. Bitcoin self-custody means holding your Bitcoin in a way where you control the private keys yourself. It gives you real ownership and independence, but it also makes you responsible for protecting your access. And that balance between freedom and responsibility is one of the deepest lessons in Bitcoin.